Hi, Greg Heitzer with the Rimrock Wellness Center. I wanted to talk a little bit today about chiropractic and fertility. You may have heard that individuals with fertility concerns have had help with chiropractic care or acupuncture or some natural means like that. Well, I'm going to explain some of the possible mechanisms as to why. So in chiropractic, we know that the body is controlled by the nervous system. That's the brain and the spinal cord. The brain communicates to every aspect of the body, whether it's digestion, heart rate, like I said, fertility, breathing, muscle contraction. All of that's controlled by the central nervous system. If there's any interference between the brain and the body via the spine, whether it's a misalignment in the spine, maybe something else going on that's causing some interference between how the brain communicates with the body, that's going to alter how that system works. So for instance, in the case of fertility, a lot of the nerves that control the uterus and the ovaries, the female organs, those come from the lower back here, primarily L1, L2, L3, those segments of the spine. So chiropractically, when we have someone come in with those concerns, those are one of the areas we'll look in particularly. Now, there isn't really a chiropractic treatment per se for fertility. It's really more of a matter of making sure that the entire nervous system is clear of any interference. The brain can communicate to the body can communicate back to the brain appropriately, so that those systems can operate at 100%. Other things that we look for would be diet, nutrition, sometimes adding some nutritional supplements such as omega-3 fish oil, sometimes balancing the thyroid gland using some iodine, some other supplements that we recommend here. That plus getting the spine checked and adjusted and realigned. Oftentimes within weeks, we'll see a huge shift in physiology and oftentimes conception, which is really exciting. Now, like I said, chiropractic isn't necessarily a cure for fertility issues. Think of it more as one of the things that you would want to include in a health and wellness lifestyle to ensure that the body is functioning at 100%. And when that happens, oftentimes those things will correct themselves. So again, great for having you. Greg Heitzer from Rimrock Wellness Center.